Oh dear. Oh fucking dear.
Reviews helps you choose.
So, as you can hear, it is a bit loud over bumps. Stuff inside rattles around a bit. Oh, but I suppose you can cushion that with something. It's quite shiny, which I don't mind. I wanted the bright yellow one, but that was £5 dearer in the sale. So I got the petrol blue because I thought it goes with my bicycle, and I saved a £5. They're selling these ones off now if you can get one quickly, because they brought out the new version which is cloth, like a denim cloth, and these full shiny ones I don't think you're going to be able to get them soon. So grab one after this review if I like it. It holds quite a lot. I'm very happy with that. It does affect the steering. It feels a little bit heavier, a bit damper, a bit heavier, but I'm not too bothered about that. I think that's just, you know, when you get used to something. So I'm used to not riding with a handlebar bag on this, so I think I'll just get used to it, and my body will adjust. But it is a bit, you can feel it, you know, when it's fully laden. The attachments, I don't like the look of that. That doesn't look very pretty, but it does feel really secure. But I prefer the likes of Topeak attachments. You know, with the clasp on, clasp off, clap on, clap off. But I don't like the look of that. I have done a video how to put it on your bicycle. It's easy once you know how, but the first time it's a bit complicated. So I'll link that below. I like the colour.
Blue.
I like the fact that Ortlieb's motto is repair, not replace. So they build it so you can repair them. I like that. Because everything I own's patched up with tape, so this won't be any different in the future. It is quite nice. Of course it's not a streamline without, but you know, that's to be expected. You can feel the wind hitting it. But it's like a comfort bag, you know. You know, it's just like a comfortable handbag. I've got all my stuff in there. Put a drink in there if I want, a snack, keys, put my phone in this bit. So it's really sunny out. There's not too much of a glare on it. I got the one with the lock on. That's not gonna stop any thieves, but it's just, you know, a little preventative measure if you want to just run in the shop. By heck, lad. I'm usually carrying a haversack, a backpack, my 8-litre backpack with everything in. I've managed to get everything in my 8-litre backpack into this. Spoilers if you haven't watched the review. The Evoc backpack made my bike all sweaty after a while, after an hour. So this won't. When I go over a bump, it's got a nice little bounce on it, so that's quite supple. Yeah, it's not very wind resistant, so I can feel it. It's not very wind resistant, I can feel it compared to when I haven't got it on. So if you want to get there speedy, you know, maybe take it off. It's easy, you can easily take it off. It'll be easy to clean and wash. You can easily wipe that down, so that's not a concern. Easy to open while you're riding and shut. Sometimes I do find myself fixing the edges, you know, making it all flush around there. I like the magnet clasp, that's nice and comforting.
Okay, a magnet? Magnets?
Now, I find that when I've put it on, it pushes the cables down, and I can't fit it on my mountain bike because my cables are too high and it was vertical, so you can get an extension to there, so it brings it out a bit to avoid your cables. That's something I might look into in the future. And what I do like is I can easily buy another attachment and put it on my other bicycle and easy transport this bag to my other bike, no problemo. So I might do that, get another one of them, put it on my mountain bike, maybe with the extension on. That's a consideration for the future. Another thing I found is I'm going to have to put my light there. You can buy an extension for this bag at the side to fit things on, water bottles, lights, but I think you have to screw it on. So I'll just put my light there for now. That'll do me. It takes up a lot of real estate.
So needlessly spacious, I feel guilty.
Oh dear. Oh fucking dear. So, I've managed to get me light on there, which isn't ideal, but it'll do to get me home. As you can see, I've rolled the wire up, saved me cutting it, because I might be putting this on a different bicycle. Final thoughts. I'm totally used to the extra weight at the front now and the change in the steering. I'm totally used to that now. It's really handy to put everything in. I love the colour. Love your colour. I love the colour. I'm used to that now. That's really secure. If you've got a bigger stem, that should fit nicely. So if you've got a small stem, beware. To get away from the cables, you might need the extension pictured above. But I love it. It's like old school. Solid inside, practical, simple. 9 out of 10. Like and subscribe.